Lesson 27 quiz. Number 1. The figure below is drawn in the coordinate plane. Number 1. What is the coordinate of point A? So in the yellow space, you're going to write the ordered pair for point A. Number 2. What is the coordinate of point B? You're going to type the ordered pair in the yellow space. Number 3, what is the coordinate of point C? And in the yellow space, you're going to type the ordered pair. Number 4, Emerson plots point R with the coordinates -5, 4 in the coordinate plane. She plots point W so that it is a reflection of point R across the y-axis. Which statement tells the correct location of points R and W in the coordinate plane? A. Point R is in quadrant 4, point W is in quadrant 1. Letter B. Point R is in quadrant 2, point W is in quadrant 1. Or letter C. Point R is in quadrant 2, point W is in quadrant 3. I would strongly recommend drawing this on a coordinate plane to visually see what quadrant each point is located in. Once you have decided on your answer, type the letter in the yellow box to the right over here. Number 5. In the coordinate plane below, drag a circle from below to plot a point at -7, 2, and plot a point at 0, -4. So you're simply going to drag these circles to the correct spot for the highlighted in blue ordered pairs. Number 6. Jason plots point G and H in the coordinate plane. The x-coordinates of point G and H are the same. The y-coordinate of point G is the opposite of the y-coordinate of point H. So this is similar to the problem on your review where you have to pick a number. You can make up the numbers. The x-coordinates are the same, but the y-coordinate of point G is the opposite of the y-coordinate of point H. Once you have made up your two ordered pairs, you then plot those 2 points on a coordinate plane to help you answer the statements below. So determine whether each statement about the point is true or false. Letter A. The points are on the same side of the y-axis. So you're going to write true or false down below in the gray box. Letter B. The points are the same distance from the x-axis. You're going to write true or false next to 6B down below. Letter C. The points are located on the same horizontal line. True or false? And write your answer down in the gray box next to 6C. Letter D. The points are reflections of each other across the x-axis. True or false? And type your answer in the gray box down below. And letter E, the points could be in quadrant 1 and 3 of the coordinate plane. True or false? And type your answer in the gray box below. And number 7, last one. The table shows the coordinates for 4 points. Graph each point in the coordinate plane. You're going to drag a circle from below to plot each of the points on the coordinate plane. When you are done, check your work and then turn in the assignment. Be sure you can use your review to help you. Good luck.